Welcome to e-learning. Today we will explore the incredible journey of computers through the generations. We are diving into the fascinating evolution of these remarkable machines. The evolution of computers is a fascinating journey that spans several decades and has led to the development of increasingly powerful and sophisticated machines. Here is an overview of the key milestones and stages in the evolution of computers. Mechanical computers from 1600s to 1940s. The earliest computers were mechanical devices like the abacus and the slide rule, used for calculation. Charles Babbage's analytical engine is considered the first mechanical computer design, though it was never built during his lifetime. Herman Hollerith's tabulating machines were used for processing data, notably for the US Census. Early electronic computers from 1930s to 1950s. The advent of electronic components such as vacuum tubes marked a significant advancement in computing. Conrad Zew's Z3 is often considered the world's first electromechanical programmable computer. The Colossus was developed by the British during the World War II to break encrypted German messages. First generation computers from 1940s to 1950s. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, is considered the first general purpose electronic computer. These computers used vacuum tubes and were large, slow, and consumed a lot of power. Second generation computers from 1950s to 1960s. Transistors replaced vacuum tubes, leading to smaller, faster, and more reliable computers. IBM introduced its 7000 series, and Univac released the Univac 2 during this era. Third generation computers from 1960s to 1970s. Integrated circuits were developed, enabling even smaller and more powerful computers. IBM's System 360 series and DEC PDPs were notable examples. Fourth generation computers from 1970s to 1980s. Microprocessors like the Intel 4004 revolutionized computing by integrating the entire CPU on a single chip. The emergence of personal computers, including the Apple II and the IBM PC, marked this era. Fifth generation computers from 1980s to present. This era saw advancement in parallel processing, artificial intelligence, and supercomputing. The development of graphical user interfaces and the World Wide Web made computers more user friendly and interconnected. Sixth generation computers. Ongoing developments include quantum computing, neuromorphic computing, and other emerging technologies. AI and machine learning are becoming increasingly integrated into the computing system. Throughout this evolution, computers have become smaller, faster, more powerful, and more accessible to the general public. They have transformed various aspects of society